Hey guys, I ordered iHoverboard H1 Bluetooth hoverboard for kids. The self-balancing H1 hoverboard with a self-balancing control allow for easy and safe operation, letting you go straight, turn, rotate 360 degrees. Bluetooth speaker, you can still enjoy your favorite music while riding. Bright front LED lights and ambient lights enhance your ride and brighten your day. 6.8 miles per hour maximum speed. You can fully enjoy the thrill of the ride. Charging up 10 to 16 minutes with a longer range of 40 to 60 minutes charging up time. This one is 6.5 inches colored LED wheels. Ride is from 3+ years kids and maximum weight is 119 pounds. Step on and start riding and simple to use. With intuitive control, the kid can easily master it and enjoy a smooth fun ride. And the 320 watts powerful motor, high safety and stability, ensure a secure balanced ride. So this is what we have here. We're going to unbox this hoverboard and check it out, see what is inside. iHoverboard. iHoverboard H2. This is the power cable. To plug it onto the power. So this goes in here, push it in. So this will take about 40 to 60 minutes to charge. There we go. See? Amazing. You can see the color. This one is blue. iHoverboard. I like the color. And switch this on and off on this button. This is the power, and plug it on to the socket. Then switch it on here.
The Bluetooth device is ready to pair.
And you can see the battery showing us screen. So if you want to go front, then you put the pedal front, then this goes back. You see the movement. So you just need to balance. You see? It deserves your attention. If the battery is red, it means that it's not fully charged or low. So this is what you have here. And when you find the low battery indicator light is red or flashing, stop riding. When the battery level is low, the hoverboard does not power on to normal ride. The system will prohibit further use. Keep the battery out of children. When the red indicator light on, the charging turn to green light. So this is what we have here. It deserves your attention. Hoverboard. Thank you.